Trumpchi GM6 radio upgrade installation. First of all, let's remove this air outlet. Remove the air conditioning panel again. Loosen the screws in this position. Remove the decorative strips of the original car screen. Let's remove a few more screws here. Remove the original car mainframe. Remove the entire screen. We remove the panel here. Remove the original screen and replace our new screen. OK, just replace and complete the recovery plug-in. Let's test it. You can enjoy large-screen HD movies. You can listen to the music you want to listen to. A variety of functional software, rich and interesting. Support DSP tuning quality. Support driving recorder screen. Support map navigation. Thank